I get this question a ton on my restock videos, so I thought I would do another tour of this room. This is where we keep all of our shoes, our extra big pots and pans up there. My daughter's backpacks go here. There's a mask holder right there. I do have the top shelf, all of our cleaning supplies. I know that shouldn't be above the food, but I do not want that within kids' reach, so I keep it up higher, and everything is sealed and unused. It's not where I keep the cleaning products we're currently using. And this is where all of our dry goods, backup stuff is. I don't keep any of our canned food in here, so you won't see any of that. Bottom is toilet paper, paper towel, and right now I have just some extra pool supplies in there, getting ready to open the pool. I have our extra, bigger cleaning supplies. This is where I keep our dog's bag of dog food, and then I have another bin that I'll put a little bit in at a time, like a week's worth. And then up there, some bigger boxes and vitamins and stuff.
Scent boosters to make ish smell good. OxyClean for stains and odors. Tide Pods detergent. Fabric softener, not the same as scent booster. Oh, she's cute.